In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up two-factor authentication in Slack to make your account extra secure. To get started, open a web browser on your computer, go to Slack, and log into your account. It's a good idea to do this from a secure device that you trust, especially since you'll be updating your account security settings. Once you're signed in, look for your profile picture in the corner of the screen and click on it. This opens the main account menu where you can access your personal settings and profile options. From that menu, select Profile. After your profile opens, click the three dots icon, then choose Account Settings. This will take you to the area where Slack lets you manage important account preferences, including security features. Next, scroll down until you find the two-factor authentication section and click Expand. If you've never enabled it before, this section will show the option to get started. Now, click the button that says Set up two-factor authentication. Slack will first ask you to confirm your identity before allowing any security changes, which is a normal and important step. Enter your current Slack password, then click Continue. This helps make sure that only you can turn on two-factor authentication for your account. After that, choose the verification method you want to use. Slack typically gives you the option of using an authenticator app or receiving codes by SMS text message. In general, an authenticator app is considered the more secure option, but you should choose the method that works best for you and that you'll be able to access consistently. If you selected an authenticator app, open the app on your phone and scan the QR code shown on your screen. If you chose SMS instead, enter your phone number so Slack can send you verification codes by text message. Once that's done, enter the 6-digit verification code generated by your app or sent to your phone, and then click Verify. This confirms that your chosen method is working properly and links it to your Slack account. Finally, copy and save your emergency backup codes in a safe place. These codes are extremely important because they can help you get back into your account if you ever lose access to your phone or your authenticator app. Make sure you store them somewhere secure and easy for you to find later. At this point, your Slack account is fully protected with two-factor authentication. Thanks for watching and enjoy your more secure workspace.